Hi there and welcome to my tutorial. If you're new to this channel or you're new to my videos, please hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. It's the best way you can actually show support for the content I'm actually putting out. If you're a Go developer and you're looking for a way to interact with the blockchain using Golang, you're in the right place because in this channel, it's going to be majorly about Golang and how Go uh, uses its exciting features to make interactions to the EVM blockchain. So in this tutorial, we'll be looking at analyzing, exploring, and monitoring data from the Ethereum mempool. Basically, any EVM compatible blockchain, you should be able to use this package geth-lte to scan, monitor, and analyze data in the mempool. I won't be talking about what a mempool is, but if you don't know what a mempool is, there are a lot of awesome YouTube videos that explain what a mempool is. But basically, the solution at which we're going to be looking at today is a strong power behind front-running bots, MEV bots, sweeping mechanisms, and all of that. So I'm not advocating for you to go do some crazy stuff. I'm just trying to make you see how you can leverage your skill and use Golang to do some awesome stuff. So let's get started. What we want to do is to analyze the mempool, right? We want to see data, see real-time transactions as are being published into the mempool before they are mined into the block. So if you're eager to learn about blockchain and how to interact with it using Go, you're definitely in the right place. Now let's get kicking off. So all you need to do first of all is to install this package, geth-lte. So we'll go with go get github.com/git minus lte. Now, I already set up this project. Setting up a Go project is very easy. Just download the Go package from the Golang website, initialize or install it following the directives there, create a folder, open it in your favorite editor, and run Go mods in it, and whatever name of the folder is to just generate this go.mode. Then create a file called me.go, and you're definitely good to go. Right. Now, I'll click the enter button for us to download the package. Awesome. Now we have it. You can see it here, version 1.0.2. So now let's dive in. Let's dive into the juicy stuff. This package has a function called geth-lte mempool. We'll get to see all of that, but let's create a function first. So I'll name a function listing mempool. Then we will now import. What we'll be importing is this RTL mempool. Sorry, mempool.rtl. Yeah. So we import this mempool.rtl, which stands for real time and transactions from the geth-lte package. Now, this package um, takes in a WebSocket and then also takes in it takes two parameters: a WebSocket, RPC, and then a channel. So what we're going to do is we'll create a channel, and what our channel will do for us is to help us to stream the data from the mempool, where we can decode it and then unmarshal it into the JSON struct that will be coming right from this same package as well, and then we can display that right. Pretty neat. So what we want to do first is to create our channel. So I'll call this pool channel. Just a straightforward way of creating a channel in Go. Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Identify here. Okay. Now, for the RPC, you can use whatever you like. I'll just paste mine here so we can get this. Yeah. Now, let's pass our RPC first, then our channel. Awesome stuff. I mean, we already have this set up in just barely 3 lines. Now, what we want to do next is we want to create a loop, right? We want to loop through the information that is coming from, or we want to create a listening loop, right? That continuously receives transaction data from the channel. So to do that, let's create a range or a for range, right? So say for value in a range of our pool channel, right? Now, what we want to now do again is to create a struct. And the good part of it is that this struct comes out of the box from the geth-lte package. And what it does is it helps us to um, capture the data. Sorry, helps us capture helps us capture the data coming from. It helps us capture data coming from the mempool that we have in our channel, for which we can then unmarshal it, right? So let's pull out the struct, pull data results dot mempool result. Yeah, cool. So you can see all the information, I mean the blob that comes directly from the mempool. So what we want to do next is to now unmarshal this pool data into the value. Just pull this in here, JSON dot unmarshal bytes array value. Then we'll lock our pool data to that memory slot. Cool. Next, let's handle the error with some shorthand for coding. Yeah. What's the new? Sorry. There you go. Sweet. I'll just skip. But anyway, let's log. Let's log the error should in case error on marshalling. Should in case the marshalling was not correctly done, then we'll print out our error. Cool. Regardless, let's continue. Now, the next thing we want to do now is to, I mean, at this point already, if we run this, you should be able to see data flowing from the mempool. And let's look at that. So let me just print this. fmt.print pool data. Now to run this, let me create a main function and then call it there. Main listing mempool. Cool. Now if I run go run main.go, you should see the magic. Oh, okay. Let's see, I have an error here. Okay, so let me just go more tidy. Okay, I think this should solve my error. And it does. So you can see, right? Very interesting. And in just these few lines of code, we are already streaming all of these transactions directly from, in this case, the Polygon mobile mempool, right? Now, this is of course not useful to us in any way. Now, what we want to do is to decode these transactions, right? Especially the value, so that we can be able to have meaningful information. For example, see who is sending to who and what amount is being transferred. To do this, what we need to do is to format the amount. Let's format the amount, right? So I'll create this variable now, and then call the hex util from the same package again, dot decode big. Now let's call pool data dot value. Sorry, not you. Pool data dot value. Great. So with this alone, we've already formatted the value, right? The amount for each transaction that has been processed in the mempool. Now let's handle our error. So just log error decoding x value. Then let's capture error here as well. Okay, great. I would like to format this so it's properly readable. Now, I mean, with this already, we're done, right? Interesting. Now, I just write out some lines so that we can see it out clearly. Print line transaction from, sorry, not you, not to use the print, yeah, this. So transaction from you of to cool. Now let me break that line so it becomes clear to see. So that's a pull data from, pull data. Here we'll have a formatted value amount. So let me just write that out clearly so it's more clear. So this is the amount being sent. Then pull data to cool. I mean, this is very interesting. Just barely how many lines? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So barely 70 lines of code. I mean, we already have the ability to monitor the mempool. So I'll clear this out and then let's run it again. Wow. Right? Here you go. So we can see each transactions as they are being sent into the mempool, right? Of course, this is testnet, so that's why you're seeing 0, 0 value changes as people begin to send significant amount of money into the pool. And so this is the wrap up for it. Sorry, I'm having a cranky voice because I'm a bit under the weather, and I just wanted to share this. If you found this very useful, please hit the like button, hit the share button. That's the best way you actually can support me to put out awesome content like this. Have a great time ahead.